very nice, these flowers, you see. Combination of red and white, and also there is in center. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Ito yung ano niya, pinakapuno niya. So, ayan yung flowers niya, oh. Ang ganda. But I don't know the name of these flowers. Anyone know this name of these flowers? I think this is dahlia, but no, I'm not sure if this is dahlia. Ayan, ganda. And ito naman yung flower, but I don't know also the name of these flowers. Ito yung leaves niya. Ayan, marami pang hindi bumuka. Ayan. Ganda ng flowers. Ayan, ito humiga na dahil sa ulan. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, meron din doon banda. Punta tayo doon. Ayan. Ayan, ito. Oh. Ayan. Then, meron din doon konti. Ayan. Oh. Anyone know these flowers? This name of these flowers? Ayan, ang ganda ng ano flowers niya, na dry na, oh. Ito yung puno niya, oh. Ayan. Ito naman yung mga leaves. Hindi pa bumuka yung iba. Ayan. Meron din dito pala isang puno. Ayan. Bale, dalawang puno pala ito. Isa at saka doon. Dalawa. Ang ganda ng flowers. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung anong name nitong flowers na ito. Marami pang hindi nag-bloom o hindi pa bumuka. Ayan. These are also wild flowers, and these flowers will be closed during daytime around the morning until afternoon around 5 p.m. Now it's already closed, so around 5 p.m. it will be open until in the night. This is flowers, they call it here Ratki Rani. Ayan. Close na lahat. Ito, ang ganda din nito. Oh. Dahlia yata itong flower na ito. Ang ganda ng flowers nito. Oh. Ayan. Pero ano, tatlong kulay ito. Ayan, ito yung ibang kulay. At saka, ano, ito. Ayan, oh, ibang kulay din. Ito, iba din ito na flowers. Ito, iba din. Ayan, oh, ganda. Ang ganda nitong flowers na ito, oh. Ilang kulay ito. Ayan, isang kulay. Ito naman, oh. May ano din, white. Ayan, dami, oh. Ayan, dami ng ganda ng kulay. Combination, oh. Ayan. Ito, white. Ito maganda. Ayan, white. Pero may ano halo, oh. Ayan, oh. Mabango pala itong ano na ito, mabango. Medyo mabango ang flowers na ito. Pero hindi ko alam itong name itong flowers. Ayan, oh, grabe, oh. Ang tumpok ng flowers. Ayan, oh. Grabe. Ayan. Ang ganda. Din dito, flowers. Kakaiba ang kulay din. Ayun. Ayun, oh. Ayan, ganda ng kulay. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda. Lapitan natin. Ayan, oh. Bali, dalawa ang kulay. Yung isa, iba ang kulay. Ito, ang ganda. Ayan. Beautiful flowers. And very nice color. Ayan. Ganda ng flowers. But I don't know the name of these flowers. Ayan. You see these flowers of roses. Many roses, many flowers. But not too much big. Some already dry and some are coming, and also this one, there is one tree here. No, there is two trees here of roses, and also over there one tree. My husband, he cut already some branches here, and you see these are flowers, it's already dry. They said they have to remove this one so that it will become again flowers, coming out flowers like that. Ayan.